Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. After yesterday's video, when the Bitcoin price was sitting around 111,000, I pointed out several higher targets, specifically 113, 115, and 120,000, according to the flight schedule. Soon after, we saw a surprising drop from around 111,000 to roughly 108,000. But then, the price quickly recovered, pushing through 111 and peaking at about 114,000 before slowly easing back down to the 108.5 range, where we are sitting again right now. The SPX made similar movements, but it sits much higher in its recovery arc than Bitcoin does. Despite this pullback, the overall picture on the higher time frames, especially the 12-hour and the daily, still looks constructive. The daily chart is showing a positive divergence, with the MACD crossing above the signal line and the RSI moving out of the oversold area. Now let's look at the heat maps. On the 3-day view, the strongest activity zone sits around 107,000, where participants seem to be re-entering after the dip. The upper cluster between 111.5 and 113,000 was cleared earlier today during that sharp $7,000 move. On the 1-week view, the clearance to the upside is even clearer, with a warm area still visible around 114 to 115.5 thousand. And on the 1-month view, the most active level appears at 116,000, with several hot zones extending all the way toward new all-time highs above 126,000. In the past 24 hours, total liquidations reached about $736 million, split quite evenly between both long and short positions. That suggests well-balanced market pressure, likely influenced by larger players managing liquidity on both sides. As for the spot ETF flows, Monday's numbers looked mixed. BlackRock recorded an outflow of about 100 million, bringing the total net flow for that day to around negative 40 million. But for yesterday, the 21st of October, early data looks more encouraging, with Bitwise and Grayscale showing strong inflows, bringing the total back to roughly plus 34 million so far. Other data is still pending, and I'll update you in the next video once the full picture comes in. I'll continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time insights. Thanks for leaving a comment, it really helps the channel. Click the like button if you got value from this video, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.